Okay, grade 1. You're going to be doing some experimenting today, which we're in my kitchen, you can see. So we're going to be using food coloring today, but you're going to use whatever you have around your house. We're going to be mixing colors and making color recipes. So you could use paint for this, you could use food coloring, you could do frosting on cookies if you're making Christmas cookies, whatever you have in your house that your family is okay to help you use, okay? So first we're going to experiment, and then there's a worksheet for you to fill out after you've done some experimenting that you can use just crayons on the sheet or paint, whatever you're using. But you just need a blank piece of paper for starters, and we're going to be doing some color recipes. So my first color recipe is going to be, I'm going to mix red and blue. So we're going to write it like an equation. So we're going to say red plus blue equals. So you can see I've written that. Okay, now we're gonna test it. So I've got some water here. I'm gonna put some red food coloring in. If you're using food coloring, make sure you have a grown-up helping you because it stains your fingers. So I put some red in. I'm mixing it around. Kind of looks bad. Maybe we'll do a few more drops. Okay, so it's kind of pinky, but that's our red. And then I'm gonna add some drops of blue to this jar. Okay, now we're gonna mix them together. I'll put this here so you can maybe see. And we're gonna mix them together and see what happens, okay? Okay. Can you tell what color it is? Purple. It's a little bit hard to see in my camera, but I assure you it is purple. Awesome. Okay, and I have a little bit of blue left here, so I'm going to try mixing it with something else too. So my next one, I'm going to write blue plus, I'm going to try yellow equals. Okay, you can barely see my yellow, but I did write yellow. Okay, put some yellow in there. Maybe it needs some more because yellow's pretty light. Okay, yellow. And we're gonna pour this back up here so you can see the color. Some blue. And we have green. I should have had us guessing. But before you write your color recipes, you should guess what color you think it's gonna make. So we have green. So blue and yellow make, oh, that's a good green to see. Green. So do a couple tests yourself and test your recipes, make some predictions. What do you think's gonna happen when you mix the colors, and then complete the worksheet that you can find on the next slide, which has some tests I want you to do on primary colors, because the primary colors are red and yellow and blue. And they mix together to make the secondary colors. So you're going to find out what those are today. Okay? Happy experimenting, scientists!